The agent block lets you call a language model, but most useful agents don't just answer a question and then stop. They need to look things up, call services, check what came back, decide what to do next. Tool calling is what gives an agent that loop, a way to choose actions, get feedback from the world, and keep going until it has enough to return something useful. Let me show you how it works.
Here's a plain agent block with a simple prompt and no tools. Text goes in, the model runs, and text comes out. It can't really qualify the lead the way we want because it lacks the context it needs. In the worst case, it might even hallucinate a response. We can give the agent some tools, and now it works in a loop. Each turn, the model decides whether it needs a tool and which one, and it can even call several at once. It reads what comes back, revises its plan, and calls again with different arguments. Every tool call gets added to its context, and each step builds on the last. The agent repeatedly calls tools to converge towards a solution. Once the agent decides it's done, it synthesizes an answer from the context accumulated from all the tool calls. You can add tools to an agent block in the Tools section of the block's parameters. Any block you'd normally bring as a workflow step can be a tool. When selecting tools for an agent block, you can fill in block parameters to fix their values. The model will fill in the tool arguments you leave empty intelligently based on the task. Sometimes a model might not choose to use a tool, but you can guarantee it does by choosing force. If no block does quite what you need, you can write your own tool. You give it a schema and a description, and that description is how the model knows when to reach for it. You can also connect a whole external tool set at once over MCP. You can see exactly which tools the agent decided to use by reading back the run. The content field is the model's final answer, written after it worked through all the tools. Open up the tool calls, and you get every call it made in order. Each one shows the name of the tool it called, the arguments the model filled in to invoke it, and the result that came back into its context. The calls are kept in order, so you can trace each step and see why the agent answered the way it did.